Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing our monthly BoxyCharm unboxing. So this is the November box. This is actually a lot bigger than any of the previous boxes I've received from BoxyCharm. They did also raise the prices this month moving forward, so they are now $25 per month instead of $21. So this is what it looks like. And as soon as you open it, you get all of your products right here and you get a pamphlet. So this month's theme is Stellar, and with a pamphlet it always tells you all the products you're receiving as well as the prices. So I'm just going to keep this open so we can go through all of that. And I know this month they did send foundation samples for you to test out so you can see if you can find your right match and then fill in their questionnaire. So I guess it's supposed to help with future products in case they want to add complexion things, which I think is a really good idea. So the first product that I see here are brushes, and these are the BoxyCharm brushes. This is their own line, so I'm really excited about this. All the brushes that I've received in the past I really have been liking. They're probably one of my favorite brushes, so I'm really excited to testing these out. This is what they look like, and this retails for $35. The next product is this right here. This is from Becca. It is a shimmering skin perfector in vanilla quartz, so I'm actually really excited about this. I do have a couple of Becca highlighters and I absolutely love them. The formula is just very luxurious, very creamy. It goes on really nice. I'm just hoping that this is going to be a really nice shade. So this is what it looks like. And the Becca highlighter retails for $38. I'm gonna do a video swatching and testing everything out. I just got this in the mail. I thought it was supposed to be coming later this week, but it arrived pretty early. So I will make sure that I get a video out really soon for you guys because I'm really excited to testing out a couple of these products. So this is the next product that I received from Caprice. It's an antioxidant dew. It's a quench and glow serum. This was actually one of the products I secured in my box. They gave you the option of getting to pick one or the other products, and this is what I picked. I've heard nothing but really good things about this product, so I really wanted to try it. And I don't think I opened it properly. It's actually leaking a little bit, but this is what the bottle looks like. And it's just a really nice creamy consistency. That was not a good swatch. So I'm just gonna put a drop on my hand just so I can see the consistency and just, you know, feel how it is on the skin. And this product retails you for $90. So this is actually really pricey. It just feels really good. It's not sticky, it's not tacky, doesn't feel like it would be uncomfortable. So I'll definitely test this out, and if you guys want to know what I think about it, just let me know in the comments below and I can definitely do that for you. And I also got two masks from Tula Skincare. It's a Star Bright Nourishing Brightening and Cosmic Hydrogel Mask. This is supposed to be good for supposed to be good for acne, preventing breakouts, and to brighten marks left behind by past acne. So this definitely sounds like something I'm very interested in, and it retails you for $22. Okay, and this is the last product that I received in my box. This is from the Dominique Cosmetics. This is her Celestial Thunder palette. This retails you for $35. The packaging alone is so pretty. I saw swatches of the palette on BoxyCharm's Instagram, and it just looked really nice. And oh wow. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. Honestly, the pictures don't do it justice. It's so pretty in person. You have 3 shimmer shades and you have 5 matte shades. And I'm actually really excited. I hope this goes well. I've heard nothing but good things from her products. So I am actually really excited. I'm pretty happy with this entire box. I don't have any complaints whatsoever. I can always use more brushes, and I do really love Becca's highlighters. I haven't tried this color out, and I don't think I've actually ever even swatched it in stores. but I will definitely make sure that I get a video out for you guys really soon, testing out all the products and just letting you know what I think. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.